Aluminum high-speed multi-axis drill. This machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for drilling aluminum slide rails for smart home automatic doors and windows. Vertical structure of the entire machine, equipped with 3 sets of drilling power heads. The universal fixture for aluminum alloy square and round pipes has precise positioning, and there are no burrs on both sides of the drilling holes. Customizable multi-head and multi-shaft automatic and fast drilling of holes on various metal products simultaneously. One-click start operation is simple, efficient, and cost-effective for drilling. Pedal start control switch for one-click safe drilling. Adjustable drilling spacing with a spacing of 130 to 500 mm between each hole. Equipped with a positioning and pressure device, ensuring that the workpiece is placed in place and drilled accurately. Various aluminum alloys, steel, fiberglass, and plastic PVC workpieces can be universally clamped in square, circular, and irregular shapes. Widely used for automatic drilling of aluminum sliding rails for smart home doors and windows, tent poles, stationary industry newspaper racks, industrial aluminum alloy profiles, and other industries.